All right, when we're going through stuff or money's a little bit tight or we're just under stress from just too much on our plate, one of the things that can really mess you up is trying to keep on top of all of the bills. So today I'm going to give you a little tip that I give to people that is a small way of helping you feel more in control, get the stress of trying to remember things out of your head, and give you a chance to stay on top of what needs to get paid when. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to use an app called TickTick. Now, the one thing that what I'm going to show you has in common, you don't have to use TickTick, there are others which I'll tell you about later. The one thing they all have in common is that they are syncable, so you can use them on your computer, use them on your phone, and you can use them on your tablet, and they have recurring tasks, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. So this is TickTick, and as I say, you can just go online or go into your Play Store or go into the Apple Store and download it. And all I do is I create a list. So here, I'm going to call this list, you can call it finances if you want to. You can call it bills, you can call it cards, call it anything. I call it finances because I'm just going to put everything into one pot and it makes it easier to see, and you'll see why in a minute. It's in its own folder, so I'm just going to save that. And then if I go then to that list, I'm going to add a task. So how you do this differs from app to app. So what I want to do first of all is I'm going to look at my credit card bills, probably the ones that cause the most stress. So I'm going to put in Barclaycard. And the Barclaycard is due to be paid every month on the 15th. So we're in May now. So on the 15th, I'm going to put it to be paid. Okay. And then I'm just going to save that. Now, that's fine. But the whole idea is to take things out of your head. So just say, for example, the 15th comes round, you go into your app and you see you need to pay the Barclaycard. Once you've paid it, you just tick that and it's complete. But Barclaycard comes round every month at the same time. So what we want to do is to go back in here and I'm going to edit it and I'm going to set it to repeat monthly, same time, and you'll see here a little circle or arrows appear which says that it's a recurring task. I could even take it further. I can actually put Barclaycard, £150. Remember, it's £150 each month, so I know. Okay, and then again I save that, and there it is. So we have another one. So gas bill, and that bill is expected, let's just say it's on the 2nd, we're expecting that one, and it repeats every quarter. So we put monthly. Actually, I think in this one, I'm thinking of Wunderlist now, we have to customize this one. So it's every 3 months. Can skip weekends. Okay, that. Save it. And the gas bill, so every 3 months, it will come up and remind you. And that is simply it. So as your bills are coming in, as the things that you need to pay for are coming in, put them in. Now, you could have things in there like the oven man. The oven man comes in every 3 months. He needs to come and do your oven, which is one of mine. And I put every 3 months, remind me to call the oven man to come in. And that's pretty much it. Now, it works exactly the same in Wunderlist. Here you can see I put one in. Pay nationwide credit card. It must arrive by the 3rd of the month. So I've actually put it in to actually be paid on the 28th. This one is pay VAT, check rate. This particular person that I was showing has a flat rate scheme which has changed, so they need to check that they still qualify. So in here there's actually a link. Prepare and file tax return is another one with the date, and that's all you do. And you can, there are other ones, I think, that you can have Todoist, Google Keep, I'm not sure if you've got the reminders, but you've got Remember the Milk, Any.do, Asana is also another great one. So that's simply a way to check up that you're paying your bills on time. And also, one of the things you probably want to be sure of is that you've got enough money. So if you can go in here, so for example, I can come in here and look at it and sort it based on a date. Probably there's going to be loads of them, of course, based on a date. Now, over the next 7 days, what is it that I'm going to need to pay? And double check, hence you can see why I've put the amount in here. You can double check that you're going to have that amount of money, and if you don't, where you can put it together or get it together so you can pay them on time, or if you can make arrangements if you can't pay them on time. But the whole object of the exercise is that you are on top of it. It's not on top of you. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.